How does a lifestyle of rich and famous people look like? Most rich people don't seem concerned, even though the majority of people are probably worried about inflation, the increase in living expenses, and the decline in their investment portfolios. Instead, by the standards of most people, they're making absurd purchases. Here are some outrageously pricey items that the wealthy acquire to maintain their luxurious lifestyles, and of which most people can only dream. Number 4. Boats and yachts. As standard yachts are no longer sufficient, a large number of the extremely wealthy are purchasing super yachts, with hundreds being sold each year. What then distinguishes a super yacht from a regular yacht? A super yacht isn't technically defined, but it can often accommodate more than 10 guests and has some of the same amenities as a high-end house. Number 3. Tickets to outer space. Tickets to Space, a tourist site that is significantly more exhilarating but not nearly as popular as the Eiffel Tower, are among the crazy expense items that the wealthy are purchasing. Virgin Galactic began selling public space tickets for $450,000 each, a significant hike from the initial $250,000 cost. That's a sizable sum of money to spend on your next vacation, though we're not sure if the flights went up because of rising demand or inflation. You will experience weightlessness and enjoy a breathtaking perspective of the Earth throughout the roughly 90-minute journey. Number 2. Private islands. The long number of famous people have bought private islands for their own usage or to develop into 5-star resorts. In 1979, Sir Richard Branson bought the British Virgin Islands Necker Island and developed it into a posh resort. Other wealthy and well-known people similarly bought their own private islands. Number 1. Renting celebrities. Do you know that wealthy people might hire famous people to attend social events? You can pay celebrities to appear or perform for you if you have enough cash. Celebrities have occasionally been hired by the extremely wealthy for their private gatherings. Online booking services can make it affordable to hire musicians, authors, athletes, and celebrities.